The year 2009 marked a pivotal moment in 3D printing. Patents for fused deposition modeling, or FDM, expired. This opened the floodgates for innovation. The technology became available to everyone, leading to a surge in new 3D printers and materials. The impact was immediate and profound. Rapid acceleration in 3D printing technology followed. Capabilities and affordability increased dramatically, empowering individuals and small businesses. The stage was set for a revolution in design and manufacturing. The 2010 S witnessed a significant leap forward in 3D printing with the rise of metal additive manufacturing. This technology, also known as metal 3D printing, enabled the creation of complex metal parts directly from digital designs. This breakthrough had a profound impact on industries like aerospace, automotive and medical, which rely heavily on precision metal components. Metal 3D printing offered several advantages over traditional manufacturing methods. It allowed for the creation of lighter, stronger and more complex parts. It also enabled the production of customized parts on demand, reducing the need for expensive tooling and inventory. This flexibility and efficiency made metal 3D printing a game changer for industries seeking to push the boundaries of design and performance. The aviation industry in particular embraced metal 3D printing with enthusiasm. The technology offered the potential to create lighter and more fuel-efficient aircraft. It also enabled the production of complex engine components that were previously impossible to manufacture using traditional methods. Companies like GE Aviation and Pratt & Whitney invested heavily in metal 3D printing, recognizing its potential to revolutionize aircraft design and manufacturing. The adoption of metal 3D printing by aviation giants like GE and Pratt & Whitney marked a turning point. These companies recognized the potential of additive manufacturing for lighter, more efficient engine components. This led to the integration of 3D printed parts into advanced aircraft engines. GE Aviation incorporated 3D printed fuel nozzles into its LEAP engine. These nozzles, produced using direct metal laser melting, were lighter and more durable. The LEAP engine became a testament to the transformative potential of 3D printing in aviation. Similarly, Pratt & Whitney embraced 3D printing for its geared turbofan engines. The company utilized additive manufacturing for complex engine components. These parts contributed to enhanced fuel efficiency, reduced noise, and lower emissions. The adoption of 3D printing signaled a shift towards a new era of aircraft design and manufacturing. The 2020 S witnessed the continued democratization of 3D printing, with the technology becoming more accessible to individuals, small businesses, and educational institutions. This widespread adoption fueled innovation across various sectors, with the medical field experiencing particularly groundbreaking advancements. One of the most remarkable breakthroughs in medical 3D printing was the development of bioprinting. This revolutionary technology enabled the creation of living tissues and organs using a patient's own cells. This held immense potential for organ transplantation, eliminating the need for organ donors and reducing the risk of rejection. The creation of artificial blood vessels using 3D printing marked another significant milestone. These biocompatible vessels could be used to repair or replace damaged blood vessels, offering hope for patients suffering from cardiovascular diseases. The ability to create customized implants and prosthetics using 3D printing also revolutionized the field of reconstructive surgery, providing patients with personalized solutions tailored to their specific needs. Unveiling the magic of binder jetting, material jetting, and material extrusion. Binder jetting uses a binding agent on a powder bed, ideal for complex geometries and sandcasting molds. Material jetting deposits photopolymer resin, perfect for high-resolution prototypes and dental models. Material extrusion extrudes thermoplastic filament, widely used for prototypes and functional parts. Section 6. Beyond imagination, 3D printing applications across industries. The versatility of 3D printing has led to its adoption across a wide range of industries, transforming traditional manufacturing processes and enabling the creation of innovative products. From fashion and food to transportation and medicine, 3D printing is leaving its mark on virtually every aspect of modern life. In the fashion industry, 3D printing is used to create intricate designs, customized footwear, and unique accessories. Designers can experiment with complex geometries and materials, pushing the boundaries of creativity and personalization. The food industry leverages 3D printing to create customized chocolates, intricate cake decorations, and even personalized nutritional supplements. The transportation sector benefits from 3D printing's ability to create lightweight yet strong components, improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. From customized car parts to complex aircraft components, 3D printing is revolutionizing the way vehicles are designed and manufactured. In the medical field, 3D printing is used to create personalized implants, surgical guides, and even bioprinted tissues and organs, transforming healthcare and improving patient outcomes. Section 7. A glimpse into the future on demand, printing and the transformation of education. The future of 3D printing holds immense potential, with advancements in technology promising to further revolutionize manufacturing, healthcare, and education. One of the most exciting prospects is the concept of on-demand printing, where products are printed only when and where they are needed. Imagine a future where hospitals have on-site 3D printing labs capable of producing customized implants, surgical instruments, and even bioprinted tissues and organs on demand. This would eliminate the need for costly inventory, reduce lead times, and enable personalized healthcare tailored to each patient's unique needs. In the education sector, 3D printing is already transforming the way students learn and create. From designing and printing their own prototypes to visualizing complex scientific concepts, 3D printing empowers students to become creators and innovators. As the technology becomes more accessible and affordable, we can expect to see 3D printing integrated into classrooms around the world, fostering creativity, problem-solving skills, and a passion for STEM fields. Section 8. Navigating the legal landscape, patents, copyright, and the dilemma of 3D printed guns. As with any transformative technology, 3D printing brings with it a unique set of legal challenges. Issues surrounding patents, copyright, and the potential for misuse, particularly with regards to 3D printed guns, require careful consideration and regulation. The ease with which designs can be shared and replicated using 3D printing raises concerns about intellectual property theft. Protecting designs through patents and copyrights becomes crucial in ensuring that creators are properly compensated for their innovations. The open-source nature of many 3D printing designs also presents challenges in enforcing intellectual property rights. The emergence of 3D printed guns has sparked widespread debate about the need for stricter regulations. The ability to create untraceable firearms using 3D printers raises serious concerns about public safety and the potential for misuse. Balancing the freedom of innovation with the need to protect public safety remains a significant challenge in the realm of 3D printing. Section 9. The Unfolding Revolution, a future shaped by 3D printing. The journey of 3D printing, from its humble beginnings to its current status as a transformative technology, is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of innovation. As we look to the future, it's clear that 3D printing will continue to shape our world in profound ways. Imagine a future where 3D printing enables us to address global challenges such as housing shortages, resource scarcity, and healthcare disparities. Imagine a world where personalized medicine becomes the norm, with 3D printed organs and tissues readily available to those in need. Imagine a future where manufacturing becomes localized and sustainable, with products printed on demand, reducing waste and transportation costs. The possibilities are limitless, and the future of 3D printing is brimming with potential. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking applications emerge, transforming industries, empowering individuals, and shaping the world around us. Section 10. Stay connected. Join the 3D printing revolution. The 3D printing revolution is well underway, and it's an exciting time to be a part of this transformative journey. As we've explored in this essay, 3D printing is no longer a futuristic concept but a reality that's shaping industries, advancing healthcare, and empowering individuals around the world. To stay informed about the latest advancements, applications, and challenges in the world of 3D printing, we invite you to subscribe to our newsletter. Join a community of like-minded individuals passionate about the future of manufacturing, design, and innovation. Together, let's explore the limitless possibilities of 3D printing and shape a future where creation knows no bounds.